arbitrationagreements.org. Do you have a passion for resolving disputes, a knack for staying impartial, and a desire to help parties find solutions without going to court? If so, you might be wondering how to take those first steps into the thrilling world of arbitration. Well, you are in luck today. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money. First and foremost, let's talk about what an arbitrator does. An arbitrator is like a judge, but for private disputes. Parties involved in a disagreement choose an arbitrator to help them come to a resolution. The decision made by the arbitrator is usually binding, which means it has to be followed. Now let's jump into the path of becoming an arbitrator. You need to have a strong educational foundation. Many arbitrators have a background in law, but get this, not all of them do. Did you know that as of last year, approximately 35% of arbitrators had backgrounds in business, engineering, or other fields? The more disputes you've seen, experience in mediation, negotiation, or other forms of conflict resolution will be extremely valuable. In fact, the average arbitrator has about 7 years of relevant experience before diving fully into this role. Depending on where you live, you may need to obtain certification to work as an arbitrator. Our own association can provide training and certification courses. Being part of organizations like ours can be a significant boost. We can offer networking opportunities, workshops, and resources to help you excel in your career. The world of arbitration is dynamic and constantly evolving. It's essential to keep up with the latest laws, methods, and best practices in the field. And here's a fun fact. Over the last 5 years, there's been a 10% increase in global arbitration cases. So, the demand for skilled arbitrators is clearly on the rise. Your credibility is your currency in this profession. Always strive for excellence, fairness, and impartiality in every case you handle. Becoming an arbitrator might seem like a journey, but it's a fulfilling one. Remember, at the end of the day, your role will be to bring resolution and peace to those in conflict. And that, my friends, is truly rewarding. To begin the process of becoming an arbitrator, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think about the steps of becoming an arbitrator? Do they seem simple or complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.